QualityClouds offers key tools and features that give you unprecedented visibility and oversight of your Salesforce orgs while ensuring proactive governance across all phases of your development cycle. This video will cover 3 of those tools: LiveCheck, Quality Gates, and Peer Review. QualityClouds LiveCheck for Salesforce is a plugin for VS Code that helps development teams validate their code in real time against a library of best practices found in QualityClouds. In this example, a developer has connected VS Code to QualityClouds via API key. The developer has created a section of code, and the developer can immediately scan that code by clicking the LiveCheck button in the tray of the VS Code application. LiveCheck is executed and immediately displays a list of issues from the scan. Based on the configuration, the developer would need to address and fix these issues before this code can be promoted to the next stage of the development pipeline. Within the results of the scan, the developer is presented with a link to documentation that defines the best practices violation and suggested methods for addressing and remediating the issue, as well as the severity of the issue and line number of the code violation. By clicking on the issue is highlighted, allowing the developer to see exactly where the issue resides. The developer can also request a write-off from the tray of VS Code, which initiates an automatic peer review process. The developer would select the issue, select the reason for write-off, provide a description, and click the Request Write-Off button. When the My Issues view is selected, the developer can view the coverage from a specific date range, the number of classes that have been changed, and if they've been scanned. In this example, 52 issues have been found, but 17 of them are blockers and must be addressed before promoting the code to the next stage of the development pipeline. The QualityClouds Quality Gates is designed to prevent unwanted negative technical debt from being introduced into the platform. Legacy technical debt can be identified and isolated from any new issues identified, creating a baseline metric. Quality Gates thresholds can be set by impact areas and severity to further define the baseline metric. These flexible thresholds determine what types of issues need to be blocked and which issues can pass and be promoted to the next stage of the development pipeline. Utilizing Quality Gates allows the development teams more efficiencies by highlighting and stopping any new issues, and they can be addressed in real time, eliminating the contribution of new issues into the platform. Quality Gates can be implemented in the user branch level, the code level using VS Code with LiveCheck, or as part of a larger CI/CD pipeline with Git repositories. QualityClouds Peer Review helps development teams automate the peer review process, review code, and approve exceptions. Within VS Code, a full listing of the issues found using LiveCheck are displayed. Clicking the write-off menu, the developer can select a range of options and select the issue, the reason for the exception, and a description of the exception request. Once that information is entered, the developer can then press the write-off button. When a write-off is requested, the portal administrator will see the write-off request appear in their peer review listing under To Do. The portal admin can then assign the request to another team member and assign an action. That issue then moves from To Do to In Progress. The assigned team member can then approve or reject the request and include an expiration date if the issue needs to be temporarily promoted based on business case with a justification comment.